How have you found kind of the online like networking space, and how have you found that's kind of improved? And how does that compare to, obviously you mentioned you've got some bunch of good friends here in Dubai.
Yeah.
How's that kind of differed, and how?
Good question. I need to, if I'm honest, I probably need to utilize the online networking thing more, but at the same time, I feel like it's kind of like a chicken and the egg scenario. You want to network with high level people, but high level people aren't going to network with you unless you're high level. So you need to become high level before you can do that. But it's like you need to somehow add value to people's lives, right? And if you can do that by just being a good person, you can sometimes buy their time and just build relationships that way. Like there's a few different ways you can do it, but I think it's super valuable as long as you're doing it correctly. And you can't be a fucking weirdo. You need to really need to understand how to network with people directly. So correctly rather. And so building sales skills, being able to build rapport with people quickly, understand if you can help them out, if not. And it can be just a simple, they might make a shout out on their Twitter. I'm looking for you to help. I'm looking for some help on this. And if you happen to be an expert with that particular thing and you just say, hey, check this out, you've helped them then, and they'll remember that next time, and you can build relationships that way. So I think that online networking really helps. If you can join groups like New Money, like Etsy Kings, it's going to fast track that, because then by the fact that you committed to that thing, people want to give you the time, at least until you prove to them that you're not worth the time. And that's like a different skill set in and of itself, right? Because you can't be a weirdo. You need to learn those people skills, right? That's one thing that
you can't just join a group and just expect to have a bunch of friends. That you need to understand the basics of kind of
just because we're in New Money doesn't mean HSC Talk is going to talk to me.
No, it doesn't.
He might say hello, but he's not going to go hang out with me at the Palm.
No, not at all. It's not at all.
Exactly. So I think it's absolutely beneficial, but you need to understand that within those hierarchies, there's hierarchies again, and it's all about the value that you bring to the world and the value you can bring to the group and to people's lives, man. It can be just simple things, small things, and you build and compound on that over time.